How did dragons get aloft? A look inside this dragon's body will reveal the most ingenious adaptation in the natural history of flight. A system that remained largely unchanged for millions of years, from the early prehistoric dragon to this species found in the ice, the mountain dragon of Western myth and legend. The initial analysis of this dragon shows other adaptations for flight besides the obvious wings. The chest points towards a clear function. It's powerful, heavily muscled, similar to what one would see on birds of prey like falcons and eagles. Preliminary internal scans of the body are more revealing. A massive heart, also indicative of powered flight. The chest muscles would need large quantities of oxygen-rich blood to maintain a steady wing beat. The bones are perfectly designed for flight too. The internal structure is very specialized. It's honeycombed, a skeletal design also found in birds, strong but very lightweight. All of these adaptations are general characteristics of powered flight. But this creature still looks too heavy to be supported by such relatively small wings. They couldn't possibly generate the kind of lift needed to get an animal this big off the ground. The wingspan measures under 20 feet, and with an initial estimated weight of 900 pounds, scientists would have to probe deeper to find the key to dragon flight. Continued scanning shows something more unusual inside the chest cavity, a pair of leathery organs resembling a second pair of lungs. The tissue walls of these organs are thin and elastic, designed to expand. They're storage sacks. What do they hold? The answer escapes with a hiss. Gas. Not gas from decomposition, the specimen is too well preserved. This gas was present while the animal was still alive. But what is it? Analysis proves the gas is composed predominantly of hydrogen. Hydrogen gas is 14 times less dense than air. Fill a balloon with hydrogen and it rises. Fill these organs with hydrogen and the principle is the same. These are the dragon's flight bladders. But how did dragons produce the hydrogen that got them off the ground?